I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video we're going to be talking about some lipsticks that fetches me the most amount of compliments, be it in person or like when I'm wearing it on camera. And a lot of you guys are intrigued with the lipstick shade, and I'm like, oh, I get these comments like, okay, what is that beautiful shade on your lips and all of that. So those are the lipsticks I'm going to be talking about. Now, I did have to swatch a couple of lipsticks on my lips, and my lips do tend to get a little dry and all of that. So I have been using a lip balm that I've been really loving, and I thought I should mention it to you guys as well. So this is a new range of lip balm from Aqualogica. This is their Plump Plus Luscious Tinted Lip Balm. So they have 3 variants in this one. One is the Crimson Candy variant, and then we have the Floral Slush variant and also the Pink Sorbet. These have an SPF of 20 plus in it, so your lips are protected as well. And these have the most like juicy, luscious finish on your lips. They look really nice and glossy on your lips as well. And these are really hydrating, guys. So when I received this package, I put to test this particular variant in Crimson Candy, and I am someone who has very dry chapped lips, and especially because I do so many lip swatches and dupes videos and swatch like 100 lipsticks, 50 lipsticks. I'm always swatching some or the other lipsticks, be it for shorts or be it for like my YouTube channel. My lips are in a bad state and they like flake and dry and crack. So I wanted to try this out. Usually tinted lip balms don't work out for me. Most lip balms itself don't work out for me because I feel like they strip the moisture off my lips. Like they're hydrating for the first half an hour, and after which they feel very dry and they like suck the moisture out of my lips. But these are not like that at all. I find them to be very nourishing. They were very hydrating on my lips, and it was not just a short-term effect. It was quite long-lasting, and I absolutely loved it. And I had no problem like reapplying this as well if I felt like, I wanted to like add a little bit more lip balm. They're very easy and convenient to use as well. They have a very subtle tint which looks beautiful on the lips, and I also like to top this off with my lipsticks, especially if I'm like out and about and I feel like my lips are feeling a little bit too dry. I just apply this on top of it, and it adds the most subtle like glossy effect as well, and it just looks really, really nice. So these do also have a like subtle fragrance to it. Like this one has sort of like a watermelon kind of a scent to it, like a like a melon kind of a scent. And it's not something that is overpowering. I actually really like it as well. I absolutely love it. These 2 shades are a little bit more subtle on my lips, and they are like almost like clear glosses for me and clear lip balm for me. So I like to use this on top of lipsticks as well, and they mix really well. This one has the most amount of pigment, this particular variant, and I like to use it on a day-to-day basis when I'm stepping out and all of that. They're very convenient to use. If you have very dry lips and if you feel like you've tried out enough of lip balms and they don't work out for you, I think you can try this out. They are really affordable as well, and you can get it for an additional discount if you use my coupon code, which I will leave right here on the screen, and I will make sure to link these products in the description as well. And also, if every single time you purchase from Aqualogica's website, they help someone in need to get access to clean drinking water. So they not only bring back the lost water to your skin, but also for communities in need. So make sure to definitely check these out. And so these have been a savior every single time I do these lip swatch videos. So once I'm done with my skincare and everything, I just apply this and go to bed. I feel like it's very nice and nourishing and hydrating as well. First shade we have is no surprise. This one is Swiss Beauty Bronze. You don't know how many times I've got asked what shade this is, be it if I wear it on camera or if I wear it out as well, and if I'm meeting someone and they're like, by the way, I really like your lipstick, what shade is that? Beautiful. It's the most beautiful blend of a mauve, a brown, and it's something that flatters every single skin tone. I've seen this on especially people of deeper skin tones, and this is something I would recommend for every single person who wants to try out something that doesn't wash them out, a nude shade, like a deeper nude shade that doesn't wash them out. And I really like the formula of these Swiss Beauty lipsticks. The shade also from Swiss Beauty is the shade Spice Nude. I think this is one of their newer shades, and I just happened to pick it up in a whim, and I absolutely love this. This is a really nice subtle nude shade, a cool tone nude shade for my skin tone. And the best part about this particular shade, the beauty of this, is that it goes with pretty much any eye look, pretty much any outfit, and it wouldn't like clash with your eye look or your outfit. So definitely try this out. You would love it. It's a beautiful cool tone nude shade, but I wouldn't suggest this one on its own, like without makeup. I feel like it washes me out, but with a full face of makeup on, I absolutely love this. Another shade I feel like is very similar to Swiss Beauty Bronze is from Anastasia. This one is in the shade Rogue. I'm not sure if this lipstick is still available, but every single time I've worn this, I've always got, comments like, the lipstick shade is beautiful. What is this shade? Let me know your lipstick shade. So this is one such lipstick. I really like it. It's very long wearing and it's a beautiful formula as well. But of course, if you can't get your hands on this, you can just try out Swiss Beauty Bronze. I feel like it's a very, very similar shade. These are the kind of lipsticks I usually use on a daily basis. Another shade that is it's very blunt and you can see how much I have sharpened this one up. This is a color bar lip crayon in the shade Devilry. And this is a beautiful like pink with a little bit of purple hints to it as well. And every single time I wear this, I feel like it brightens up the outfit, the makeup look, everything. It's a beautiful shade. Like if you're looking for this kind of a shade, you know, a little bit of pink and purple with a little bit of saturation and depth, definitely try this out. I really like the formulation of these lip crayons. They're very pigmented, very nice on the lips as well. And just look at it. I love it. The next shade we have is called Mac Marrakesh. This is a beautiful terracotta reddish orange kind of a shade, and let me tell you something, this is a little bit hard to dupe, okay, and it's a beautiful shade, and this is a perfect summer shade for me. Every single time I have those floral prints and everything, and I want a little bit of like, you know, a red and orange with a little bit of nerdy undertone to it, and this is the one that I pick up. And you wouldn't believe the number of times I've been asked, what is this on my lips? It's a beautiful shade, and I think it will flatter every single skin tone out there. The next one is Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade So 90s. I was so disappointed with Pillow Talk Medium. I was not willing to give up on this range of lipstick yet because they're raved after so much. Everybody loves them, and I tried out this shade and I fell in love with it. It's not the most deep brown kind of a shade. It is a brown shade with a little bit of red to it. But I feel like it's a shade that I can wear every single day and it wouldn't look too grungy. It's not something that would, you know, draw all the attention to your lips. But it's also like, you know, it's subtle, but it's still yet there, and it's not very pigmented. It's again a very buildable shade, and it's very comfortable on the lips. There's no denying that, but it's not intensely pigmented. So there could be a lot of people who would be disappointed with that as well, but just keep that in mind. But if you were looking at trying out any one lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury, I think you should try out this shade. It's beautiful. Now, if you own this lipstick, I'm sure you relate with what I'm going to say. This one is the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Cleopatra. Every single time you wear this, you feel like, you know, you don't have to put a lot of effort to your look, and also it amplifies the look so much better. It goes really well with like yellow outfits and like off-white and all of that, and a beautiful shade. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. It's a little bit of a deep pink shade with a little bit of like, you know, purple hints to it, and I just love the formulation of this as well. I mean, it is super matte. It can be very drying, but I don't find it to be extremely drying, but it's very long wearing for a bullet lipstick, and I love this shade. Out of that entire range, this shade is my favorite. This last one is a combination of lipstick that intrigued a lot of people, and I was surprised how a lot of people were like, okay, what is that on your lips? So the first one is the Sugar Metal liquid lipstick in the shade Mimosa. I think this is discontinued, but I don't really like the formulation of this. I find it to be very runny, but it's a beautiful blue toned red shade. Just look at it. I find it to be quite runny and not pigmented enough for me. I always start off by using this because I want to try the shade out so many times, but I don't find it to be like pigmented enough. You know, it doesn't pack a punch for me. So I layer it on with this lipstick, and this is a winning combination. This is the MAC Powder Kiss liquid lipstick in the shade Make Love to the Camera. Just look at this combination. Okay, it's a deep red shade. I have to apply a lot of it, and this MAC one on its own is not pigmented enough, so that's the reason I applied that Sugar one as a base. It just looks stunning in my opinion. Like, I love this combination. So I wore this in a video and a lot of questions about this lip combination, and this I feel like is beautiful. I mean, it's not transfer proof. This Powder Kiss liquid lipstick transfers quite a bit, so make sure that it doesn't get on your teeth. So I always have to check on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Do let me know which lipstick shade fetches you the most amount of compliments. I want to check that out as well. Let me know in the comment section down below, and while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one.